Now we are here now, and we want this matter to be resolved now, please. They are processing this matter. Experience of Jalang about the Kotisege, Pamwa, Mohammed Chinese, 20 Simons, Tennessee, Pomesante. The women and two legend Buti, the Babe women under oath, Pamway Nuti. They are processing this matter. By Lung is a matter. By Lung is a match. Abon, Oberman and two legend, the Mangas and Gobers and Yarazala, so Pumanga and the Saki. Abon, Majaleo, we are telling the Nan of Fuetu. Election, I facilitated the process. I facilitated the process. For me, the car, but over keep a bong and a bong blue, ambiguous. It is a psychology in the days. Wouldn't get this staff from our message to Soxolos repeat on. Actually, was Soxolos repeat on ever for me to car. So keep a bong, I was 7 blue until the problem is resolved. Over a lender now. But please, can you resolve this matter because it will go out of hand? Because yes, you have done it according to the employees' experience that you chased some other blue agents, workers inside that were working, and then now you agreed on us that we are going to chase away.
No, I never agreed. I told I will go and inform the boss. This is what you all wanted. Unfortunately, they said to me, no, they can't do nothing now. They have addressed it to head office.
Oh, so they want us to make a noise.
No, because the matter will go out of hand because you have agreed in front of the police officers.
Who agreed?
You agreed.
See now.
No, you agreed. We were inside here.
Wow.
We told you that go to them and tell them that we want everywhere.
That's what I went and
Yes,
did.
And if they can't do that, we will do it in their behalf.
Yes, can
If they want to do that, we will do in their behalf. You don't say that we are angry because we're giving you the respect.
Suffer.
Yeah.
Suffer because now
How?
we will make a commodity, definitely. Until
So don't push us into another
Let me go
way.
tell them. But it's not my decision.
Yes, so can you come with the boss because I said that you can't bring the person that will solve this matter. I told you today we are not going anywhere without any solution.
operation.
Yeah.
Because
So bring the one who will solve this
operation
matter.
will be continuously.
Okay.
I'm just sitting here quietly, behaving, so counting hours before the matter got out of hand.
Let me go call
Because
him
we
here.
don't want to be
bring
seen
him here.
as the people that are bulldozing the process and not following the process.
Okay.
But the cry out of the employees that reaches to us, it means there's something wrong. Because they have exhausted all the internal proceedings. Now, we are here now. And we want this matter to be resolved now, please.